Pressure canning meat is a great way to store it without refrigeration. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how it's done. Cut boneless, skinless chicken breast into roughly 1-inch cubes, removing most of the fat. Pack the raw meat into sterilized canning jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. It's optional to add a little salt. Amy prefers using wide-mouth jars for meat because it makes it easier to get the meat out of the jars later. Wipe the rim of each jar with a paper towel lightly spritzed with white vinegar. Screw on the lids and rings finger tight. Add 2 to 3 inches of water to the pressure canner before adding jars. Carefully place the filled jars into your pressure canner. Add a tablespoon of white vinegar to the water to help prevent water spots on the outside of the jars. Secure the lid onto the pressure canner per manufacturer's recommendations. Begin heating the canner. Canners can vary greatly. This is using our canner, which is a Presto brand. Once steam begins to escape, allow this to happen for 10 minutes before placing the weight. Pressure will build inside the canner. Adjust the heat to keep the gauge between 10 and 15 pounds of pressure. Process pints for 75 minutes and quarts for 90 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow the pressure to reduce completely before opening the canner. Opening the canner too soon can allow liquid to siphon out of the jars. Remove jars from the canner and allow them to completely cool. Once cooled, remove the rings and clean the outside of the jars with hot soapy water. Store in a cool, dark, and dry place for up to 1 year. And don't forget to label your jars.